What's going on, guys? Hope you're well and good to see you all again. Are you guys ready for some unboxing therapy? We're gonna unbox the PENN Slammer III in the 4500 size. We'll go through some of the technical specs, what comes inside the box, and why I decided to purchase this reel. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so let's open up and see what comes inside the box. So I'm opening this for the first time as well, so I'm pretty keen to see what's in here. So we're doing it together. Alright, go. Nicely packaged up. Essentially, that's the whole reel. And we've got washers for the drag and the manuals that comes inside, and a spare EVA handle. Alright, let's open it up. There you go, it's a nice looking reel. I like the black and gold trims, and this handle's really good with the big knob. I think I prefer this one over the EVA knob. What do you guys think? Drop us a comment and let me know what you prefer. Okay, peace out. So what I'll do, guys, is I'll put the full specs of this reel on the screen, but just in summary, the reel has a full metal body and 8 ball bearings, and it can take 30-pound braid, around 250 yards. It's a braid ready spool, and for the 3500 and the 4500 and I think the 5000 as well, it's an automatic bail arm, where the larger size reels are manual. It's a really smooth reel. It is a little bit heavier in comparison to my Shimano Stratix. It's around 440 grams, but with a heavy duty reel, I think that's the trade-off. And the reason why I purchased this reel is mainly, as you can see from my channel, most of my fishing is from a kayak, and you know, there's salt water. Every time you take it out, you get salt water on your reels, and with this reel being IPX6, it's really good with protecting your reel from getting corrosion and things like that. I'll put a link in the description as well. There's a video of a reel. I think it's been opened after a couple of years of use and with no servicing, and the reel has absolutely no salt at all, which is awesome. So if you're into kayak fishing, I would seriously consider this reel as an option. I think I'll, depending on how this goes, I'll look at even getting a 3500 size reel as well, and move on from my Shimano reels, as I've been starting to get issues on those reels with saltwater damage. Alright guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you've got any questions, drop us a comment. Otherwise, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.